And hello, my name is Aina Aliza Binti and my final year project title is Classifying Depression Among Students Using Artificial Intelligence. Okay, as I quoted in my slide, depression is treatable, suicide is preventable. What is the relationship between these two? As we know, depression is very common nowadays. A lot of people have this mental disorder, and it will result and end with suicide. Why is it like that? We can prevent this depression if we can detect it at early stage. And students tend to have this problem a lot because based on the research I made, it stated that depression occurs the most in the age group which is 15 to 25. This is obviously the student age group, as we know. Okay, and according to another research paper by Mr. Wang, 84% of college students who regards depression favorably never receive mental health treatment. This fact stated that most of college students does not or never conduct treatment as they may be late to diagnose. Okay, in order to know that you have depression or not, you must meet a doctor, or the psychiatry. You must have an eye-to-eye contact so that he or she may diagnose you that you have depression, because he need to analyze your behavior and your activities and all. Okay, nowadays there are a lot of technologies. The technologies are very, at the end of fingertip right nowadays. So in my project to detect depression, I'll be using accelerometer sensor to detect the daily activities, to detect their motion lah, probably their motion, such as we can detect the motion using accelerometer. This because accelerometer is a sensor which shows the movement from X, Y axis, the rotation, horizontal and vertical. So we can actually detect someone's motion using accelerometer. Accelerometer sensor. Motion such as walking, running, sitting, sleeping, and all. Okay, so by detecting this, we actually can, view their daily life. So I'll be viewing their daily life, such as Monday, they do what activity the most, and Tuesday, and what. And then, if there have been some slight changes in their daily activities, I maybe and probably conclude that this particular individual may be suffering from mild or minor depressive, because have a slight difference in their daily activities. Okay, and next, after detecting the depression, I'll be classifying the depression, which is using artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is a very common AI tools being used and techniques. It is a brain structure like techniques which can be used to decide, and very good techniques to be deciding. So after collecting all the data, I'll be train my AI so that it can detect whether someone has depression or not based on the data. So as a result, we can know someone have depression or not. So why is it important to detect depression early? It's because we can prevent suicide. Students, overthinking yourself. As a conclusion and summary, my final year project is can be very useful to our society, because it creates a system that can detect depression and classify it. So after classifying it, we can help someone who having depression. We can help them, so everybody can be safe and happy. No need to be depressed. Okay, thank you.